This is for all the people who have been commenting and asking me to make a video on day in my life at my part-time job. We all know that having a part-time job is very essential as a student here in Canada, and this is just a small glimpse of how working at a part-time job is over here. So to give you some context, I work at Shoppers Drug Mart. So this is an essential retail store as well as a pharmacy. अभी बजे हैं around 4:25, 4:30 and I'm scheduled for a 5 p.m. shift. So I'm just going to get a little dressed up, wear my winter jackets because it's cold outside and take you guys with me. So stay tuned. तो मैं निकल चुकी हूँ अपने घर से for my part-time job and यूनिफॉर्म पहनी हुई है अंदर and ऊपर से विंटर जैकेट पहना है. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई डू बिफोर लीविंग इज़ मैं वेदर देख लेती हूँ जस्ट टू नो कि मुझे कितनी लेयरिंग करनी है एंड कितना प्रिपेयर जाना है, बिकॉज़ मेरे घर से मेरा काम अराउंड 15 मिनट्स की वॉक है, तो ये पूरी वॉक मुझे करनी पड़ती है वट एवर वेदर इट इज़. सो उस हिसाब से ड्रेसअप करना होता है. अभी बजे है 4:35 अराउंड, तो मैं निकल चुकी हूँ. 15 मिनट की वॉक है एंड आई यूजुअली प्रेफर कि मैं थोड़ा सा बिफोर टाइम पहुँच जाऊँ, अनलेस मेरा काम बहुत सुबह को होता है तो तब मैं लेट उठती हूँ एंड देन मैं भाग भाग के जाती हूँ. बट इवनिंग्स में यूजुअली मैं बिफोर टाइम पहुँच जाती हूँ, एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट बिफोर टाइम. सो या वॉकिंग आई मेक श्योर कि मैं मेरे सबसे कंफर्टेबल शूज़ पहनूँ बिकॉज पूरा टाइम खड़ा रहना पड़ता है. All of the people who would ask कि टोरंटो तो लॉकडाउन में है, so everything should be shut. So why am I going to my work? तो पूरी दुनिया, पूरी टोरंटो लॉकडाउन में है, बट शॉपर्स ड्रग मार्ट जो एक फार्मेसी है और जो एक एसेंशियल सर्विस में कंसिडर होता है, वो बंद नहीं हुआ है. So yes, I still have to go to work and our shop never shut down. हमेशा काम पे जाना ही होता था. तो along with comfortable shoes, it is very important to also have a comfortable mask. क्योंकि टोरंटो में ऑल्दो आउटडोर स्पेसेस में मास्क पहनना कंपल्सरी नहीं है, बट फॉर एनी पब्लिक स्पेस विच इज़ इंडोर्स विच इज़ क्लोज्ड मास्क पहनना ज़रूरी है. सो द 5 or 6 hours ऑफ माई शिफ्ट मुझे ये पूरा टाइम पहनना ही रखना है, तो शूज़ के साथ साथ इसका कंफर्टेबल होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड I've almost reached. This is what my workplace looks like from the inside. We sell everything ranging from cosmetics to packaged food stuff, medicines, and pharmacy related products. For the employees, we have a staff room on the level above our store where we can put our jackets. We have lockers to keep our stuff and also a microwave and a coffee maker. More on that when I'm on my break. So I am in the elevator on my way down. I'm going to try showing you guys how it is like walking down. So guys, this is what my cash counter looks like. This is where I work. My cash machine. Presto. So Shoppers has Presto as well. And we do Presto from this. And we also do some lottery here. I just tried to record what exactly I do and just to give you guys an idea about what the work is like. Yeah, that's fine. As you guys can see, it is nothing really complicated. It's just assisting people scanning their products, bagging it for them, taking money, giving them receipts, and stuff like that. And when it gets a little free and when there are not a lot of people in the store, then we do some returns, we make the store look good, and yeah, that's just the job. Break time, guys. It's been a super busy day and I'm so tired. Finally time to get some rest, and this is our lunchroom or the staff room where we can sit, we can eat. They have a coffee maker here, a toaster so you can do that stuff. There is a microwave to heat stuff that you want. I usually get something frozen to eat, or maybe just grab a snack bar and just eat that while I sit here. Also, depending on आप कितने घंटे काम कर रहे हो, डिसाइड होगा कि आपको कितनी लंबी ब्रेक लेनी चाहिए. So if I'm working say 5 to 10, तो 5 घंटे, which means कि मुझे 15 मिनट की ब्रेक मिलेगी. And sometimes I have shifts from 11 to 5, तो 6 घंटे, तो 45 मिनट्स की ब्रेक होगी. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट आपका ब्रेक टाइमिंग डिसाइड होता है. एंड अगर आपको एक लंच ब्रेक मिल रही है, सो सपोज आई हैव 45 मिनट ब्रेक, तो उसमें 30 मिनट्स जो है वो लंच ब्रेक है जो अनपेड होगी. So technically if you're working for 6 hours, you get paid for 5.5. If you are working for 7 hours, you get paid for 6.5. So ऐसा हर स्टोर का यूजुअली ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर होता है, बट it keeps on varying from store to store. But if I'm working for 5 hours, so 15 minutes is my paid break, which I have to get. It is compulsory. If you're working anywhere, then you're bound to get that break. If you're not getting it, then it is an offense. So because we all deserve to rest, and it is very tiring to do these kinds of jobs, because you have to be standing all the time and you have to just always keep smiling, keep attending people. If you're not attending people, you are doing something else, but you're always doing something, and I can barely even access my phone at that time. So it's just work the whole time. So yeah, we all deserve a small break, and I'm almost towards the end of my break, so I'm going to sign out and go back to work. Just besides the staff room is our storage room, and this is where we keep all of the products and bring them downstairs as and when required. Back to work, guys. Just a few more hours to go. And done for the day. I just came upstairs to sign out on the machine and grab my stuff.
Going down.
Yes, I just got out of my workplace. I'm done for the day. And as soon as I came out, I realized that it's snowing. And काफ़ी ज़्यादा बर्फ़ पड़ गई है. अब बहुत ठंड भी हो चुकी है. But it looks so beautiful. Everything is covered in snow. And I'm having a very beautiful walk home. बहुत ठंड है, so I'm going to keep my phone away now. But I hope you guys found this video informational. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a day in my life at my part-time job. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, bye!